Welcome to my channel. Epson printer Wi-Fi setup. Connect easily without cable. First, power on the printer. Make sure your Epson printer is turned on and in a ready state. Second, go to Wi-Fi setup. On the printer's control panel, press the home button, right pointing arrow, go to Wi-Fi setup. Third, choose Wi-Fi setup wizard. Select Wi-Fi setup wizard from the options. The printer will search for nearby wireless networks. Fourth, select your Wi-Fi name. From the list, tap your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Fifth, enter Wi-Fi password. Use the printer's keypad to enter your Wi-Fi password and press OK, done. Sixth, confirm connection. Wait for a few seconds. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will become solid, and a confirmation will appear on the screen. Seventh, install drivers on PC, laptop. Go to Epson's official site, download and install the latest drivers, software for your printer model. Eighth, add printer to PC. On Windows, control panel, right pointing arrow, devices and printers, right pointing arrow, add a printer, right pointing arrow, select your Epson printer. On Mac, system preferences, right pointing arrow, printers and scanners, right pointing arrow plus icon, right pointing arrow, choose your Epson printer. Thanks for watching.